While out of the box you might not see much difference between that off-brand Thermocouple probe and one of our high-accuracy Super Omegaclad XL or Inconel probes. But down the road, it's a whole other story. As with any thermocouple probe, accuracy drift is the enemy. To combat accuracy drift, DwyerOmega only uses a fine-grain, high-purity magnesium oxide insulation, resulting in less stress on the thermocouple alloy wires during assembly, while our competitor's insulation starts as a rigid, pre-formed magnesium oxide tube that is crushed during the manufacturing process, putting much more stress on the alloy wires. And our proprietary manufacturing process eliminates any pre-existing moisture inside the sheath during assembly, because even the slightest bit of moisture inside a probe can expand and condense during heating and cooling, resulting in failure due to a short or accuracy drift. Accuracy drift can also be caused by metal from the sheath leaching into the thermocouple's internal alloy wires over time. But our Super Omegaclad XL probes feature a dual-wall sheath that eliminates contamination of alloys over the long haul. And keep in mind, all DwyerOmega thermocouple probes are manufactured in-house at our assembly plant in southern New Jersey, while many resellers' probes are outsourced to various locations, so you really don't know whose probe you're getting. So make a long-term investment in accuracy and durability with DwyerOmega industrial thermocouple probes.